Hi guys, Arctic Jim AJ here. Two things. One, my friend is just talking about someone scamming them and stuff, and I told her I supported her because I had just met her, and then she gave me this, which I'm really happy about. So I gave her one of my ice amulets. And there's a vote because tomorrow or the next day I'm getting yet another gift card with my money, if not 2 gift cards. So, well, probably not 2 because I am going to use it on other stuff. And I'm probably getting Jump too. Anyway, you guys get to vote. Choices are kangaroo or snow leopard. Or actually, lion, kangaroo, or snow leopard. Those are the choices, and yeah. You vote for, comment lion for voting for the lion, dislike for the kangaroo, and a like for the snow leopard. It'll also have that info in the comments. Well, this video is kind of short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Well, comment for lion, like for snow leopard, and dislike for kangaroo. And no, subscribing for an animal doesn't count because I can't really tell how many new subscribers I get. Well, I kind of can if I haven't subscribed to them yet, because normally I subscribe anyone who subscribes me. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment for lion, and subscribe. And also, okay, I forgot what I was going to say. But, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Arctic Jim AJ, out.